जय श्री राम। आप सभी लोगों को रामनवमी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आशा करता हूं आप सभी लोग स्वस्थ होंगे, अपने अपने घरों में होंगे, लॉकडाउन का पालन कर रहे होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे, दूरी बनाए रखे होंगे, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बनाए रखे होंगे, खान पान अच्छा कर रखे होंगे, योग कर रहे होंगे, माता पिता की सेवा कर रहे होंगे और आज रामनवमी अपने घर में आराम से मना रहे होंगे। प्रभु श्री रामचंद्र की आप सभी लोगों पे कृपा हो, आज का दिन मंगलकारी हो और आने वाला भी समय आप सभी लोगों के लिए मंगलकारी हो। आशा करता हूँ ये कोरोना का वायरस से मुक्त हो जाएंगे और फिर से एक नई जिंदगी दोबारा से जी सकेंगे अच्छे तरीके से। प्रभु श्री राम की दया से हम वियतनाम की सीरीज़ हमारी ऑन चल रही है और बहुत ही जल्द नॉर्थ वियतनाम हम पूरा कवर कर चुके होंगे। उसके बाद हम कवर करेंगे सेंट्रल और साउथ, वो आने वाली वीडियोज़ में होगा। लेकिन फ़िलहाल के लिए जो अभी हम हैं वो हैं हाजांग सिटी से थोड़ा सा आगे। आज के इस एपिसोड में हम जो कवर करने वाले हैं वो बेसिकली जाने वाले हैं एक बॉर्डर पे जो कि चाइना बॉर्डर होगा। मुझे बोस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए इस बारे में, लेकिन आने वाली वीडियोस में आप डेफिनेटली देखोगे। चाइना नमस्ते, मैं जस्ट गया था हाय बोलने के लिए। अब चाइनीज़ आ सकते हैं तो भाई हम भी जा सकते हैं ना, क्यों चाइना? गलत तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ ना, हिंदी चीनी। चलो दोस्तों, आप एंजॉय करो वीडियो और हम आपसे मिलते हैं एक ब्रेक के बाद। और आपसे एक ही निवेदन है, प्रभु श्री रामचंद्र का नाम लेके हमारे इस चैनल को थोड़ा सा बढ़वा दो यार। आज तारीख हो चुकी है, पता नहीं 1-2 तारीख आज हो चुकी है और भाई साहब 7 दिन और 1 हफ्ता और बाकी है हमारे जन्मदिन को। हम तो अभी 1500 पे नहीं पहुँचे हैं। ये पता नहीं चैनल कहाँ जाएगा कहाँ नहीं जाएगा, लेकिन आप थोड़ी मेहरबानी करो और प्रभु श्री राम से तो हमारी विनती लगी ही रहती है। आशा करता हूँ ये वीडियो आप लोग को अच्छा लगेगा। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय। जय श्री राम। So this is what I've been waiting for. I'm gonna get into China without passport, without visa.
Good morning India, welcome back to the channel. My name is Raj Singh and I am solo backpacker.
My battery is almost sitting at 1%, so I would not be able to talk much.
Sorry folks, my bags are all packed, I'm all set. One tip for the day that I'm gonna share: in case you're pitching tent or using somebody's property to stay, make sure you do not litter. Leave the way it is and yeah, move on. And the beautiful scenery out there. Yes, I'm gonna hit the road.
What's up India? Welcome back to the mystery mornings of Hajang. I woke up around 6 o'clock. I pitched my tent at somebody's house. Outside the house, everything was set and done. And now I'm on the roads. And this is what you see. It's all covered under clouds. It was raining all night. It's still, pretty much, if you can see, I'm all covered. It's all wet. Yeah. This Quechua, this is not 100% waterproof. This is not 100% waterproof. I need to find something to cover. And yeah, pretty much on the roads. Beautiful valley, mountains and all covered under clouds. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful is the only word that I can say. So guys, my Indian friends, if you're watching, Himalaya is definitely a one thing, but this is something that you should explore. Hajang, Vietnam. Wow. If you're in Vietnam and you haven't done this loop, Hajang loop, then I think you haven't discovered Vietnam as much as you should be. I mean, apart from the beaches and beautiful lakes and all, there's a lot of things that you can do. And when you come to Hajan, don't do the itinerary 2 days, 3 days. Stop wherever you want. You know, take photos, pitch your camp. You know, this is the best thing that I've done. You know, it was a good decision that I got my tent. You are self-sufficient. You can buy food pretty much everywhere. I think if you have a tent, you can pretty much look for a place like I did last night. Sleep. Wake up in the morning. You don't have to hustle. You don't have to just rush, you know, in the night that you have to be somewhere. You have to look for a guest house and sleep. Just look for a place. Pitch a tent. Period. Enjoy the beauty, man. Stop and stop. Don't just hustle. I don't want to ride on, like, you know, 60s, 50s, 40s. I just want to go slow. 20, 30. Just want to see, enjoy the beauty of Mother Nature. Look at people, how they live. मुझे लगता है भोलेनाथ ने मेरी बात सुन ली. मैं कह रहा था उनसे, भगवान थोड़ा सा तो रहम करो बरसात से. Cold is good, rain is not. Chicken noodle soup, beverage beer. So guys, a lovely spot out here. Do check it out. The roads are all wet, it's all cloudy. I don't know if you want to ride on these roads. I gotta be real slow while I'm recording this. Comment below if you want to ride these roads. I've done Himalayan motorbiking before, but this is different. This is definitely different. Mother Nature has different shades of beauty. I like to enjoy all. Xin chào. What do you say? You want to see more of the time lapses from here? I'm gonna take it as a yes. Yeah, certainly gonna take it as a yes. Xin chào. I think I saw you yesterday. How you doing?
Fine, and you?
Yeah, pretty nice actually. Oh, whoa. Okay.
But it's very cloudy here.
Beautiful though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Forget Sapa. Check this out.
Yeah, it's better than Sapa.
Yeah, definitely better than Sapa. Finally, it's 11 o'clock. Suryadev ne apni shakal dikha di hai, and we are 7 kilometers from Yunnan. It's beautiful around here. The pine trees. Yunnan at 11 o'clock. Took some supplies, some noodles and some munchies to eat on the way. Yeah, it's a good thing that you buy from big towns so that you don't get ripped off. You can go to the shop, you can buy at the right prices. And now I'm leaving to a new place. Wow, those mountains look nice. And heading towards a new place. A new border. Now this border is not official border. We're gonna go into China. Yeah. only the bike can take. Okay, which way? Let's talk to the locals. Xin chào. Longku? Longku? So you see, you can pretty much buy supplies from here, get your bike repaired, get the fuel, guys, get the fuel on authorized petrol pumps, otherwise you're gonna be ripped off, literally. Get your tank full, take extra fuel with you. Yeah. Now, on the way. I'm gonna head to China today, ladies and gentlemen. So be prepared. No passport, no visa required. But I was thinking about going to that place. Stay tuned. There's a lot to come. I was heading to Longku or Donghua. Came out the signboard towards tribal village, or the cultural village, and this is what you see. So our motorbikes are parked out there, and I was following this guy. Wanchai. So this village is Wanchai. Nobody comes here. I think we are the first, probably, or maybe the first to come to this village. Totally remote, and the government is building roads out there. You have roads still there, and apart from that, it's all the trail that you see. It goes up in the mountains. Beautiful place. We can hike up to that mountain as well. It's a beautiful place, just like we go in the Himalayas. You have people living out there in the remotest areas. These Ajang people, they're staying out here. Stopping for a viewpoint out here. I'm just gonna see real quick what's in there. Wow, these rocks are all different. It's another 18 kilometers from here. We're gonna be in Longku, enjoying the day. So this is what I've been waiting for. 5 kilometers before Longku, and this is the border belt with China. And you can see people trading out here. I'm gonna get into China without passport, without visa. Yes, there's the border belt. You see pretty much the Chinese things trading around here. Okay, so this out here is Vietnam. Welcome to China. Got some Israeli friends around here. Like to introduce yourself?
Okay. Hello.
This is China. Entirely Chinese part. Welcome to China, my friend.
Welcome to China. Without passport.